Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2. Let's pinpoint the exact cause of that rough engine idle. Visual inspection. Performing a visual inspection of key engine components is another essential step in diagnosing rough idling. Begin by checking the condition of the spark plugs, which play a crucial role in the combustion process. Worn or fouled spark plugs can lead to misfires and rough idling. Inspect the air filters to ensure they are clean and free from debris that could affect airflow to the engine. Examine the vacuum hoses for any signs of cracks or leaks, as vacuum system issues can contribute to rough idling. By visually inspecting these components, you can identify potential areas of concern and determine if any parts need to be replaced or repaired to improve your car's idle quality. Combining the insights gained from an OBD2 scanner and conducting a thorough visual inspection, you can effectively diagnose the reasons behind your car's rough idling and take the necessary steps to address the underlying problems. Repairing rough idling. If your car is experiencing rough idling, addressing the underlying issues promptly can help improve its performance. Here are some effective solutions to consider. Component cleaning. One way to tackle rough idling is by cleaning certain vehicle components. Start by focusing on the throttle body, a crucial part of the air intake system. Over time, carbon deposits can accumulate on the throttle body, affecting airflow and causing rough idling. To clean it, disconnect the air intake tube, locate the throttle body, and use a specialized cleaner and a clean cloth to gently remove any buildup. Another component to pay attention to is the idle air control valve, IAC. This valve regulates the amount of air entering the engine at idle. If it gets clogged or dirty, it can disrupt the engine's idle speed. Cleaning the IAC involves locating the valve, removing it, and using a suitable cleaner to eliminate any debris that may be hindering its function. Component replacement. In some cases, cleaning alone may not suffice, and component replacement becomes necessary to address rough idling issues effectively. Two components commonly associated with rough idling problems are spark plugs and oxygen sensors. Spark plugs play a vital role in igniting the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. Over time, they can wear out or become fouled, leading to misfires and rough idling. Replacing spark plugs at the manufacturer's recommended intervals can help maintain smooth engine operation and optimal performance. Oxygen sensors are essential for monitoring the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases. A faulty oxygen sensor can disrupt the air-fuel mixture ratio, resulting in poor idling quality. If diagnostics indicate a defective oxygen sensor, it's crucial to replace it promptly to restore proper engine function and improve idling stability. Addressing rough idling through component cleaning and replacement can enhance your car's overall performance and ensure a smoother driving experience. Remember to follow manufacturer guidelines and seek professional assistance if needed to maintain your vehicle in top condition. Preventive maintenance. Routine maintenance is key to keeping your car running smoothly and preventing issues like rough idling that can affect your engine's performance. By following these preventive maintenance practices, you can ensure your vehicle stays in top condition. Regular tune UPS. Regular tune-ups play a vital role in maintaining optimal engine performance and preventing rough idling. During a tune-up, a mechanic will inspect and adjust key components of your vehicle, such as spark plugs, ignition timing, and the fuel system. By addressing any potential issues early on, you can avoid more significant problems down the road and keep your engine running smoothly. Fuel system cleaning. Periodic fuel system cleanings are essential to prevent fuel-related rough idling problems. Over time, dirt and debris can build up in the fuel system, affecting the flow of fuel to the engine. By scheduling regular cleanings, you can ensure that your fuel system operates efficiently, reducing the risk of rough idling and other performance issues. Air filter replacement. Replacing your air filter at recommended intervals is crucial to avoid air intake issues that can lead to rough idling. The air filter plays a crucial role in preventing dirt and contaminants from entering the engine. A clogged or dirty air filter can restrict airflow, causing your engine to run inefficiently and potentially leading to rough idling. By replacing the air filter as needed, you can maintain optimal air intake and keep your engine running smoothly. Taking these preventive maintenance steps can help you avoid rough idling issues and ensure that your engine performs at its best. By staying proactive and addressing maintenance tasks regularly, you can keep your car running smoothly and prolong its lifespan. Don't ignore rough idling. It signals deeper engine problems. Check spark plugs, fuel injectors, and vacuum leaks first. Getting issues fixed early saves you time and money. It can prevent bigger problems down the road. Regular maintenance keeps your car running smoothly. It ensures a reliable and safe drive every time you hit the road. Thanks for joining us in part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.